Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Nothing but blue skies throughout southern Oregon and northern California. Air quality is good as well. We're not seeing a lot of smoke production from the Upper Applegate fire, which is great news, but we're going to be definitely on the watch for wildfires over the next couple of days because of gusty winds, very low humidity, and of course the heat. We're really going to be concerned about critical fire danger, especially east of the Cascades. It is hot out there though this afternoon. We're at 89 in Medford, 88 on Klamath Falls, 96 in Montague. Temperatures fairly on par with yesterday, but noticeably hotter for tomorrow. Definitely going to bump up these temperatures quite a bit for our Tuesday. Along the coast, lower 60s in Gold Beach and Brookings. Pretty breezy winds up in Gold Beach. Also, winds have been picking up on the east side this afternoon. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour in Lakeview. Winds will also pick up over the next couple of hours in the Rogue Valley, and winds will only be a bit more blustery with each day as we go through the middle of the week, but we will see a cool down with temperatures, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Tonight, in the meantime, clear skies down to 48 in Klamath Falls, 57 in Medford and Wairika. Marine layer clouds and fog impacting the Brookings area down to 49. Tomorrow along the coast, cool and comfortable, but inland areas, it is going to be hot, up to 95 in Grants Pass, 90 in Mount Shasta, 91 in Klamath Falls. We will get some increased clouds as we go throughout the day. Those winds are cranking up as well in the afternoon. Take a look at the red flag warning that's been posted from noon to 8 p.m. on our Tuesday. Much of Klamath into western Lake County, and just with those gusty southwest winds, very low humidity, dry air in place, that just means fires can spread very quickly in these conditions. Take a look at the winds as we go into tomorrow afternoon out of the southwest, gusting up over 30 miles per hour in spots. It will be a bit breezy as well in the Rogue Valley, especially down in the Shasta Valley for you folks. And then notice the winds on Wednesday. Even gustier conditions across pretty much all of southern Oregon and northern California. We'll see lighter winds in general the next couple days along the coast, more of a marine layer influence. But because of those stronger winds still as we head on into Wednesday, there is a fire weather watch, much more expansive in Klamath and Lake County down to Modoc County, also from noon to 8 on Wednesday. Here's a look at those temperatures for the basin. Not only are we concerned about fire danger, but there is at least a slight chance of mainly a dry thunderstorm popping up with some of that monsoonal moisture, some of that moisture from what was once Tropical Storm Alberto. Notice, though, a cool down. Thursday will be quiet, sunny skies into the 70s for highs. And then taking a look at the Rogue Valley, hot tomorrow, mid-90s, but notice the cool down as we go through midweek. Very pleasant on Thursday, highs in the lower 80s. So here's Stormcast. As we go through the day tomorrow, there are those clouds working on in. We may see a stray shower or storm with some of this, but the best chances for that going to be tomorrow night along and east of the Cascades. But there's still going to be some pretty dry air near the surface, so dry lightning will be an issue should something pop up, and then things should quiet down as we go through the day on Wednesday. Just a slight chance of a lingering storm, mainly early on Wednesday along and east of the Cascades. The coast, more of a marine layer influence, cooler temperatures the next couple of days. Northern California, those winds cranking up through midweek, but notice that cool down Wednesday into Thursday. For the Klamath Basin, it is going to be fairly hot tomorrow. Also that threat for a stray thunderstorm, especially into tomorrow night. Gusty winds tomorrow and Wednesday bringing critical fire danger conditions. And then mountains, we're looking at the slight chance for maybe some few showers and storms tomorrow night into early Wednesday up along the Cascades. Otherwise, expecting a cool down through midweek. And then in the Rogue Valley, it's going to be very hot tomorrow, breezy as well. So still an issue even in the valley when it comes to fire danger, just with those winds, the heat. And it's been a while since we've had rain. And as we've been seeing, it doesn't take much for fire to grow pretty quick.
Definitely not. And even with the temperatures in the 80s, like you said, still a lot of risk of fire.
Yes, especially east of the Cascades there on Wednesday.
Good to know. Yeah. Thanks, Matt.